face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. My name is Nanayao and the channel is about how to make money online and learn as well. So if you are new to this channel and you are interested in making money online and learn as well, then kindly hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I come out with concerning how to make money online and learn as well. In this video, I've been talking about Palmpay. This application, I've been leaving the links under the descriptions of my videos and stuffs, and I haven't taken the time to explain about this application, so I decided today to explain it really well so that you people get the understanding and the interest to use this application. And the bad news I have for you is that this application is only available for the African, and I think it's for 3 countries, which is Ghana here, Nigeria, and Tanzania. So these are the 3 countries that you'll be able to use this application. So if you live in Tanzania, if you live in Nigeria or in Ghana, then I assure you that you'll be able to use this this application to earn extra money and also get cheap airtime if you are somebody who likes buying airtime and stuff. So this is Palmpay. This is the overview, or this is the dashboard. It's like once you've signed up, this is what you're going to see. Before then, let me take you to the registration process. Let me log out my account and then I start everything. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, let me log out. Okay, you see that I'm logged out. So this is it. I'm a Ghanaian, so check under the description for the link. I will leave the link to this application or website under the description, so it will be the first one. So all you have to do is to click on the description and you see the link. Click on it and it will direct you here. Once you are here, you select your country. You hit on here. It's only Nigeria and Ghana. I think they are now working on the Tanzania. I'm sorry, but it will be available in Tanzania as soon as possible. So if you are a Nigerian, you hit on the Nigeria. Okay, and then all you have to do is you put in your number here, whether at Vodafone or MTN. But if you're a Ghanaian, this is it. And then this will be the sign in. So I'll choose my number. Sorry. Okay, this is my number. Okay, then I hit on next. Okay, so you see that they will send me a verification code. They will send me a verification code to this number. So make sure you enter your number correctly. Okay, let me check. The code is not in yet. Okay, so we're still waiting for the code. Okay, so I think it's in 555536. Okay, 555536. Okay, then I'll put in my pin. I already know my pin, so I'll put in, as I said, this is the sign in. But if you click on it and you are not a user yet, all you have to do is you hit on the registration. I think it will even direct you to the registration part. So you go to the registration, make sure you put in your number, and then once you are done with registration, they will ask you to upload your ID. The ID could be your voter's ID or your Ghana ID or Nigerian ID. Anyone is cool. And then once you're done with the registration, pardon me, I'm coming, let me pause this video, I'll resume it soon. Okay, so once you're done with registration, this is how the application works. You see, you can use this application to do your mobile transactions. Like, you can use your mobile phone to do transactions. The same thing works like nowadays the banks have something like mobile banking. When you go and register an account with them, they can, initiate your phone number to the bank account, and then you can use your phone to do mobile banking, the same as this application. It helps you to do it. Ghanaians, we have something like mobile money, like, yes, mobile money, MTN mobile money, Vodafone mobile money, Airtel mobile money, and then I think the Nigerians also have it. So we make sure that you register with your mobile money number. So once you are done with registration, you can see fund and withdraw. You see, you can fund your account. If I hit on fund, you see the amount I want to fund. Imagine I want to fund 50 cedis. What it's for, I don't think that one is necessary, so I'll hit on next. Okay, so you see, this is it. I can pay the 550 Ghana cedis, and then my account will be funded. You see, and in case I want to withdraw it, the same process, I'll hit on withdraw, and then input the amount I want to withdraw. And then the good thing why you have to use this application is that when you send money, they give you bonus. Yes, whilst you sending money to your family and friends, you'll be gaining bonus, and those bonus you can they call it points, and you can use those points to buy airtime. You can use those points to buy airtime. Yes, airtime. And the best thing about this app is that you can also refer family and friends to this application, and once they use this application to buy airtime, you get points, and you also earn money as well. Once they use it for transaction, you earn points, and when you refer your friends and they start making transactions and buying airtime with this application, you see that every week they will send you money, and you can see the money here. Where they've written GHS, you can see your money there. You see, I've closed it, so you cannot see the balance I have now, but if I uncheck it, you see the balance I have now. So once the people you've invited are making transactions with this application, buying airtime with this application, you see that they will be paying you free money. Yes, they will pay you free money. And in case you have points and you want to buy airtime, this is how it works. Let me click on Topup Airtime. I hit on Topup Airtime, and how much do I have to buy? Imagine I want to buy 1 cedi. Yes, 1 cedi. And you see that here has points to use. We've written points to use. Let me hit on it. You see 50 points, I would be paying 50 pesos for 1 cedi airtime. So this is cool. This is really cool. This is the point that I have. I mean, the friends I've invited. So imagine I want to buy airtime for 2 cedis. 2 cedis, and I'll be paying 6 cedis, 50 pesos for no, I'll be paying 1 cedi 35 pesos for 2 cedis airtime. You see that this is really cool. And as I said, once you invite friends and family to use this application for their transactions and their top up, they will send you money every week, and that money is withdrawable. And once you invite them to, they will give you points, and those points you can use it to buy airtime, which is really nice one. Yes, again, the application is really cool and real. This is real. People are getting paid. Yes, people are getting paid. I think I've withdrawn 2 times from this application, and that was the first time I withdrawn was 200 Ghana cedis. It was free. They paid me according to people I've invited to this application, and mind you, they only pay you when those you've invited are using this application for their their airtime tops up. If they register and they don't use the application for airtime top up, there's no way they are going to get the money to pay you. So take note of that. When you invite your friends, when your friends register, you just encourage them to use the application for their top-ups and their transactions. And even when they use the application for their online transactions and top-ups, they get it cheap. They get airtime and the charges cheap. So make sure you encourage your referrals to use the application for their tops up and their transactions. Yes, so guys, and you see this application has been accepted, and they are in partnership with big companies. Yes, they are in partnership with big companies. If you finding it difficult to trust this application, I urge you to make more inquiries about the application before you can even decide to use it, because I know that this application is really legit and real. So don't panic to be using this application. It's real, as I said. So you can use it for money transfer, top up airtime, buy data, for utilities, TV and insurance. You can use it to pay your DSTV bills and so on. So guys, if you are my subscriber, I urge each and every one of my subscribers to try this application, because you can make a lot of money out of this application. So make sure you try this application, and aside you making money out of this, you get your airtime top-ups very cheap and as low as you can imagine. So guys, this is what I have for you today. If you are new to this channel and you are interested in making money online and learn as well, then kindly hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I come out with concerning how to make money online and learn as well. And if you enjoy this video, as I always said, don't forget to give me a thumbs up to appreciate what I've been doing. If you give me a thumbs up, it motivates me to do more researches and bring you the results. Thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you next time. Bye.
Face, tell me that you love me.